Hey guys, it's me again, and we're continuing the hack on the Amish space heater. I have removed all the digital control crap. Here's the computer board that was in there, and I see on the back there's a chip I didn't see first. That is an actual processor chip, looks like. So out with the old, and I just basically, just for the moment, just to make sure it would work, before I went to the trouble of installing switches and thermostats and stuff like that, just wanted to make sure that I could make it work without the control board. So here we go, let's plug her in, and we have beautiful simulated flames, we have the lights at the bottom, we have the blower up top, and we have heat coming out. So that takes care of that. I did keep the tilt switch in the circuit so that it'll shut off if the unit falls over. It's just going to, this is the same type of switch used in a pinball machine. It's just a weight that's suspended, and if it's allowed to move too much, that is, if this thing is tilted and this is allowed to move, then it makes contact with the switch and shuts her down, or actually in this case it causes the switch to lose contact and shuts the heater down. So it's still safe. There is a thermal there's a thermal cutout on top of the element. I did wire that in so that if there should be some kind of problem where it's getting too hot, it'll shut down the element. So she's ready to customize according to the way I want it. I think I'm just going to have two switches, one to turn the unit off and on, another unit to bring in the second heating element for high position, which can be turned on and off as I want it, and then some type of, probably just a regular home thermostat to shut this thing down when the temperature is satisfied, and to turn it back on when the room gets cold again. So that part I'm not going to bother you with, because there's so many ways to do it, and you're probably not going to be too impressed. That, I mean, my real satisfaction is knowing I can make the thing work without the modern digital electronic crap. So we've done that. That's all I'm worried about. So that's all I'm going to share with you. However I end up doing it, it'll probably be by tonight, so I can sleep in a nice warm room. I'm going to stick a switch in there somewhere, and a thermostat somewhere. So that takes care of that. That completes my video of the Amish space heater, which was handcrafted. Thanks for watching and listening. We'll see you next time.